Hi guys. So I just wanted to answer a few questions that people have regarding cushion grip since we're doing a reapplication right before bed. Excuse my appearance. I'm still wearing yesterday's makeup and didn't do my hair today, but I just wanted to come on and give you guys a few of my favorite tips and tricks that have helped cushion grip be successful for me. So first and foremost, one of the biggest mistakes that people make after applying cushion grip is thinking that they can just go back to normal activities like eating and drinking or even smoking. Doing so too soon after application is going to cause your cushion grip to peel off of your denture. I recommend waiting at least 4 hours before continuing to eat or drink and smoke. And you also can't remove the denture from your mouth during those 4 hours as well. They have to stay in for the entire curing process. Because of this, I personally recommend doing it right before bed, just like I am. Since I'm putting them in right before I go to bed, I'm going to be asleep, and not eating or drinking all night isn't going to bother me because I won't know I'm not doing it, right? I know a lot of people don't like to sleep in their denture, and it may be uncomfortable to you to sleep in your denture overnight to have them cure if you're not used to that. I sleep in my denture, so I guess it's not really just too bothersome for me, but the reason I like to do it is because it doesn't bother me all night, and then come morning, it's ready to trim the excess around the edges. A lot of the problems that people experience are because they're going back to normal activity too soon after applying the cushion grip. That is going to cause the suction to be lost between the cushion grip and the denture, and it's going to cause it to peel. You're going to think that the adhesive is not working, and that's not really what's happening. It's just because the wetness or the food is getting lodged down in between the cushion grip and your denture, and it's causing it to break the seal. So if you can't do it overnight, I definitely recommend at least waiting 3 to 4 hours before doing any of the above, as doing any of those is really going to cause it not to work correctly. Another thing is, sometimes it's not necessary to put cushion grip completely on the palate of the denture. So I personally only put mine around the ridge where my gum line would be. I don't need any suction on the palate. It seems to disrupt my suction more than anything. If I also add it to the palate, it's a little bit too excessive. I don't need that much in my denture. I only need it around the outside, and that causes a great line of seal for me, and I don't need any type of adhesive once it cures. It's hard for me to speak for bottom dentures because I know that is a place where a lot of people are having a lot of problems, but the problem is that people think that cushion grip is meant to replace an adhesive. The problem with bottom dentures is we're still going to need an adhesive even with cushion grip, likely, just because bottom dentures are a pain in the ass. However, the cushion grip should be giving you enough support that they feel less loose and they're not bobbling around as much while you're eating.